These are your BYU-Idaho radio evening headlines for Tuesday, January 7th, 2025. I'm Chandler Guadagnine. The Bonneville County Sheriff's Office is still looking for the person responsible for making a hoax 911 call yesterday afternoon. According to the Sheriff's Office, the call came in around 1 p.m., reporting what turned out to be a phony stabbing attack. Deputies and EMTs responded to a home on the 4000 block of North Ammon Road to find the homeowner and some children inside. However, there was no sign of an emergency or evidence that a stabbing had taken place. Sergeant Brian Lovell with the Bonneville County Sheriff's Office says that they treat these false reports like any other.
We really want people to know that, we're going to respond to emergencies. We're going to prioritize these things as anything else and based on the information we have.
Lovell adds that these types of calls do take valuable resources and asks the public to say something if they know something.
If they know of people doing this or people are involved in this or any other criminal activity, they should speak up and say something so that we can intervene and prevent it from happening again.
The phone number for the Bonneville County Sheriff's Office is 208-529-1350. An Eastern Idaho Public Health employee was fired after a breach in patient medical record data. Eastern Idaho Public Health said in a news release that one of their employees may have accessed protected health information without authorization. They immediately launched an investigation when they suspected an unauthorized activity. The investigation determined that some medical records, specifically patient clinic notes, were accessed, but health screenings, histories, assessments, orders, and results were also accessed. The news release said, quote, "We were able to determine that no copies, transcriptions, or recordings were taken of the protected health information," close quote. Notification letters were sent to the patients whose information was accessed to inform them of what had happened, as well as an action plan to protect their information. A man from Iona has started new pickleball courts in Rigby. According to EastIdahoNews.com, the owner of the pickleball club, 43-year-old Joshua Quiros, says that he fell in love with the sport when he played with his 8-year-old daughter. The establishment, the Drop 208 Pickleball Club, holds 5 pickleball courts and is located at 3846 East Indian Creek Loop in Rigby. It's off of U.S. Highway 20 and is highly visible, which appealed to Quiros. The courts are available to the public year-round 7 days a week. Patrons can reserve it for one-time use or join a monthly membership. People use the space as part of a league and play competitively. The Drop 208 Pickleball Club is open 6 a.m. to 10 p.m. with 24/7 access to club members. Thanks for listening. These have been your evening headlines for Tuesday, January 7th, 2025. You can, of course, dive into more great content from the station on our podcast feed and on social media as well. Just search for BYU-Idaho Radio on your favorite social and podcast platforms. I'm Chandler Guadagnine, and this is BYU-Idaho Radio.